Getted has one more interesting feature. This feature allows us to get previously created instance of a class if that instance is not garbage collected. To use this feature, we need to use the method registerCachedFactory or registerCachedFactory param method. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use the registerCachedFactory param method. You can explore the registerCachedFactory by yourself. Both of these methods are similar, and the only difference here is the parameters. So now I'm going to make some changes here just to show you we are getting old instance if that instance is not garbage collected. So here I'm going to print the hash code. Also, I'm going to add a statement called just to show you we are not getting null every time we are rebuilding the state. As you can see, so as soon as the instance is garbage collected, it will create a new instance. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Flutter, you can subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.